outside. Oh, I missed it. And ooh, look at that. There's lightning all over the inside of that cloud. I don't know why they're doing fireworks all day. Just before I recorded the big flash, I missed it. Ooh, got that one. Go away, Skeeter. It's strange, we only got some rain in the morning. I think those are the streaks. Oh, I missed the lightning shot. And then it just cleared up. Oh, I think I got that. I hope I did. And it just was so hot and so humid, it wasn't even funny. Downside of living in the country are mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes with a passion. Ooh, got that one. I better head inside and go to bed. I got work tomorrow. Go away, mosquito.